Hello, everyone. Today let me show you how to repairing Ture tone without original screen. This is when its Face ID can't be recognized. Ture tone is not available. Now we use the device of i2C i6S programmer. Buckle the True Tone Repair panel. This panel support with 7 to 11 Pro Max True Tone Repair. Now we enter the without original screen interface. Connect the data cable with i6S programmer and mobile. Another side connect to the mobile phone. Now the mobile pop-up trust authorization. We click trust. The device will read the cover code automatically. Then power off the phone and remove the screen. Connect the screen flex cable to the corresponding position of the i6S panel, and then restore it. Click the button of Original True Tone Repair. Then, restore the screen to the mobile after finished writing. So power on the phone and enter the original True Tone interface. We detect it. It prompts Original True Tone. Then open Settings. The menu prompts Original True Tone. Notice, repair the original True Tone. It must be required the original earpiece flex and Face ID as well. Otherwise, the original True Tone could not be repaired well. Thanks for your watching.